Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. Your head screw on good? You ready for Jesus come back? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, I talk to them in the Jamaican language. Click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, go and go do it now. Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's first letter to the Thessalonians, them, chapter 5, from verse 1 to verse 11. Brother and sister, men have to write about the time and the day when they sitting there go happen. Because you don't know, say the day when the Lord will come back, I go come in sudden, just like one thief in the night. When people start to say we have peace and everything's safe, perhaps at that the time things are going to turn upside down. Sufferation are going to lick them so fast, like when pain start reach the woman we bout to have baby. And then now go can run away from it. But brother and sister, who don't know too much for the day when the Lord come frighten you like thief in a night. Cause the whole of you belong to the light and you belong to the day. We don't have nothing to do with night and darkness. So make we not sleep like them where live in the dark. But make we keep we eye wide open and we head screw on good. Cause all who sleep at night time. And them they were drunk off themselves. At night time they get drunk. But we belong to the day. We think straight and trust in a God and love him. That way there, we are protect ourselves just like the soldier them when they wear the metal vest. And just like how the soldier them put on the helmet to protect their head, as same so we to protect ourselves and look forward for God save we and believe in our heart. Say him I go do it. Cause God name put we here, so him could make we suffer. But him do what him do, so the Lord Jesus Christ could have saved we. Jesus dead for we. So whether we alive or we dead, the whole of we can go live with him. So, you fit talk the sitting them for help on one another get strong. Like when we do now. And go and build up on one another. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.